capture the change in the signal as shown here. So
design an instrument that can record neural activity of the insects.
welcome to the Silicon's Brain, Neuroscience for everyone.
The sense of touch is actually the contact of objects with our skin. Tactile receptors are responsible for that. They are actually the nerve endings of the sensory neurons and they send back this information to their brain. Same is the case with insects. They send back information when we touch any part of their body. We are going to design an instrument that can record neural activity of the insects. Today we are going to show you the initial prototyping of that instrument. Let's show you.
This is the initial prototyping of our instrument and we can also connect it with our phone. To do the experiment, first we need to take a cockroach and then simply carefully cut out one of its legs. Insert two electrodes as shown here and simply turn it on. The popping sound you are hearing is the voice of the neurons which are communicating with each other. Have you noticed the rate of popping and spontaneous discharge rate increases when I touch pops on the leg? It is actually the spontaneous discharge rate of the living neurons when I touch pops on the leg. They become active and they produce a specific signals. And we can also show data in the FFT spectrogram. In FFT spectrogram, we show our data in the form of different colors, which are very useful and we can identify a correct position of the signals with the intensity. It shows data in the form of white and black colors. We can also freeze our signal at a specific amplitude where we want it off, and it will not repeat the same signal, it only captures the change in the signal as shown here. So in this way we can capture our signal and we can simply insert and whatever we wanted off we can do with our signals. We can also record data by clicking the record button over here. So we can use it for later use and we can also play this data in the form of FFT spectrogram and whatever we want it of. But wait, there is a one more thing. What if we increase the temperature of the leg? You can see neural activity goes down and neurons become active when I increases the temperature of the leg. That's all. See you next time, Silicon's Brain.